welcome. This is JueNeng Hang. So today I am doing a video that is very embarrassing. It's something that no one wants to talk about, and that is the toilet. So you and your family or friends, you decided that you want to go camping or you want to go do some outdoor activities, and you packed your tent, you packed your clothes, packed your food, and everything that you need to go camping or to go do outdoor activities. But then you forgot, or maybe you thought about it but you didn't want to talk about it, but because it's something that's too embarrassing to talk about. And so that is the toilet. So what are you going to do? Because you packed a lot of food and a lot of drinks, and after you have finished eating and drinking, you gotta find a place to let those things out. So it's pretty embarrassing, but today I am going to share with you how to make some portable toilet with you. I have searched online several places, and for example, like for Amazon.com, you can get these portable toilet for like $19 or $30 or for $100, for whatever amount that you wanted to pay for. But I went and I found these portable toilet seats at Academy. It's only like $6 or $7, and I think I got them for $6. So I got 2 of them, and the box is here today, and I'm so excited, and I am going to open and come and join me. Let's open these portable toilet seats together. Okay, so here is the box from Academy, and I am going to open it. Got me a knife. As you can see, they packed pretty good. Okay, here's one toilet seat cover, and it is made for the 5-gallon bucket. Okay, here's the first cover seat. And here's the second one. Okay, so I am going to open the first one. Okay, this is what it looks like. There you go. Okay, so here's our toilet seat cover, and I'm going to go get me a 5-gallon bucket. Per my understanding, this will fit most of the 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so I got 2 buckets right here. Let's get this one. Okay, so this one fit pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, now this is the embarrassing moment. I am going to attempt to sit on it to see how it feels, okay? So let's move this. There we go. So here's the bucket. You can come closer. So this is the moment of truth, the embarrassing part, okay? I'm gonna try to see if it will work, to see if the bucket is strong enough to support me, okay? Okay. Let me turn around this way. The bucket is pretty sturdy. It's strong enough to fit me. Okay, so what are you gonna do? I'm gonna show you you can buy the biodegradable plastic bags online, or you can just use regular grocery bags from Walmart or other places, okay? So what you need to do is that you need to take some grocery bags with you. Just roll them up like these, okay? And just put some right in there. And remember to take some toilet papers with you. And what you need to do is that you need to just open up the bag. The bag. Okay, just like that, and then put this on top of the bucket, and voila, there you go. And here I am. Now you go away, give me some privacy. Okay, so you've decided that you don't want to use the plastic bags, and you wanted to just kind of put your human waste into the ground, just to go into the earth. That's fine too. What you need to do is that you bought the portable toilet 5-bucket toilet cover seat already. So what you need to do is just take a 5-gallon bucket and just put a hole down at the bottom, and I will show you how to do that in just a minute. I don't have a knife here with me, so I'm going to take the bucket, I'm going to go inside the house, and I'm going to use a knife. Okay. Here we go. Looks like that. And so you don't want to use the plastic bag. So just take this with you and take a shovel or take something with you. Just go into the woods, find you a little privacy area, just dig a hole in it. Just pretend that I have dug a hole here, and just kind of put this on top of the hole that you have dug, and open it up, and you just sit and do your thing. And when you are finished, just get up, cover it up. You take this bucket out and just take your shovel and just put the dirt back on top of your human waste and your toilet paper and cover it up. So your human waste is now becoming a compost to the earth. And well, it's pretty embarrassing, and it's something that nobody wants to talk about, but it's something that we need. And so thank you so much for joining me. This is JueNeng Hang, and you have a good day.